Start with a new chapter, chapter 3, motion in a straight line, class 11th, physics. And motion in a straight line means जो movement होगी objects की वो क्या होगी straight line में. So in motion in a straight line, if an object changes its position, कोई object, suppose we have object as changes position, like new position become x dash, change its position with respect to its surroundings, अपने surroundings के according respect to its surroundings with time, it's called in motion. ये क्या है? motion में है, movable है. It's a branch of physics which deals with the motion of objects, and in mechanics it's classified into statics, kinematics and dynamics. In statics डील्स विद ऑब्जेक्ट एट रेस्ट. स्टैटिक्स में क्या होगा? ऑब्जेक्ट्स को होंगे रेस्ट में होंगे अंडर द एक्शन ऑफ फोर्सेस. इन काइनेमेटिक्स डिस्क्राइब मोशन विदाउट गोइंग इनटू कॉज ऑफ मोशन. मोशन को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे बट विदाउट गोइंग टू द कॉज ऑफ मोशन. मोशन में जाने के बजाय उसको डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. इन डायनेमिक्स डील्स विद द ऑब्जेक्ट इन मोशन. क्या है? मोशन में होंगे ऑब्जेक्ट्स बाय कंसिडरिंग द कॉजेज ऑफ motion. Rest and motion are relative states. It means object is at rest in one frame can be motion in another frame. Suppose we have one frame x and one frame y. So in one frame हो सकता है कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा रेस्ट हो, बट इन सेकेंड फ्रेम हो सकता है वो क्या है? मूवेबल हो. ओके, सो it means an object is at rest in one frame can be motion in another frame of reference at same time. Point object. If the length covered by an object are very large as comparison to the size of the object is considered as point object. Types of motion. There are some different types of motions like rectilinear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion. In rectilinear motion, motion in which particles moves along a straight line. Particles क्या है? straight line में move होंगे. For example, motion of a sliding body on an inclined plane. Circular motion, particle moves a circular path. Example is string wheeled in a circular loop. In oscillatory motion in which a particle moves to and fro about a given point, like to and fro, just like हमारा सिंपल पेंडुलम क्या है? मूव होता है. ओके, so to and fro. Motion is classified as one dimensional. In one dimensional, motion of an object is considered as one dimensional if only one coordinate is needed. One coordinate of like x coordinate is needed to specify the position of the object. The object moves along a straight line. Object क्या है? straight line पर move होगा. Only two direction, backward and forward. For backward and forward, backward को हम नेगेटिव से डिनोट कर सकते हैं और फॉरवर्ड को हम पॉजिटिव से डिनोट कर सकते हैं. In which an object moves. Example, a boy running on a straight road. In two-dimensional motion, two coordinates x, y to specify the position of the object. Object moves in a plane. Plane में move हो रहे x और y में. Example, satellite revolving around the earth. In three-dimensional motion, three coordinates are x, y and z needed to specify the position of the object. Example, motion of a water molecules, etc. or butterfly flying in the garden. Scalar quantity and vector quantity. In class 10 we study about scalar and vector quantity. Scalar quantity, here only magnitude is required to specify physical quantities like mass, length, time. But in vector quantity, both magnitude as well as direction both are required. Example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, etc. What is the position? The point where an object is situated. जिस point पर हमारा object जो है situated होगा, position can be determined by coordinate axis, that is marked its units of length and has positive and negative direction. उस point पे positive और negative direction होगी. Suppose we have point O here, -3, -2, -1 for negative direction and 1, 2, 3 for positive direction. If an object is situated at -3 meter, then negative sign indicate the position, then it will set to be at negative sign for negative direction, and if object is at 0, then it will set to be at rest. A place from which motion is observed and measured is called frame of reference. Distance. The length of the path covered by an object in a given time interval is known as distance travel. XI unit क्या होती है? मीटर. Example, suppose an object moves along x direction to a distance of 100 meter from the origin. Origin से क्या है? 100 मीटर. Suppose origin ये है, so origin से क्या है? 100 मीटर distance cover किया है. Then path length is 100 meter. If object return to the origin at time t dash, फर्स्ट ऑरिजिन से किया था टी से, सेकेंड रिटर्न हुआ तो टी डैश है, देन इट विल बिकम 100 + 100 200 मीटर. प्लेन एक्स एंड वाई फॉर टी एंड टी डैश. नाउ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. द चेंज इन पोजिशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन ए पार्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. चेंज हो जाएगा पोजिशन में इनिशियल से फाइनल तक. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इनिशियल एंड द फाइनल पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, इट्स डिनोटेड बाय डेल्टा एक्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डेल्टा एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू x2 - x1 मीन्स इनिशियल एंड फाइनल का जो होगा डिफरेंस होगा. डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर क्वांटिटी होती है बिकॉज इट possesses बोथ मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन. केसेस इफ x2 greater than x1 then delta x is positive. If x1 greater than x2 then delta x is negative. If x1 is equals to x2 then delta x is equals to 0.